So for this problem, to find the factors for this cubic trinomial, so from this given, first, using this middle term, so we need to find a perfect square number closer and less than this middle term. So from these perfect square numbers, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, since 9 is closer and less than 13, so therefore we're going to use this number. So from the given, so this becomes x to the power 3, then minus, we need to rewrite this 13, and one of the number is 9, so this becomes 9x, so the other number is negative 4x, because negative 9 and negative 4, that's negative 13. Then bring down this positive 12. Then from this, so we need to group. Then the first group is x to the power 3 minus 9x. Then for the second group, since this one is negative, so we need to put this negative outside. So therefore, this becomes positive 4x, and this positive 12 becomes negative 12. Then we can use now the common monomial factor because there is common in every group. So for this group, the common is x. So we need to put x outside. So therefore, this x to the power 3 becomes x to the power 2. Then minus this 9x becomes 9 because we put 1x outside. Then minus for the second group. So the common is 4 because these numbers are divisible by 4. So we need to put 4 outside. So therefore this 4x becomes x. Then minus this 12 divided by 4. So this becomes 3. Then to simplify, so observe this x squared minus 9, since 9, we can rewrite this one as 3 to the power 2. So therefore, we have now the difference of 2 squared, and to factor this difference of 2 squareds, so this becomes x, then times, so this x squared minus 3 squared, this is equal to x plus 3, then times x minus 3, then minus, so bring down this 4, then times x minus 3. Then observe in every term, so there is common. So we have this x minus 3 and x minus 3. So we need to put this x minus 3 outside. So we have x minus 3, then times. So from this, you multiply. So this becomes x squared multiply. So this becomes positive 3x. Then bring down this negative 4. Then since we can factor out this trinomial, so using the quadratic factoring, so therefore this becomes x minus 3. And for this, so we need to factor out. So since x squared is x times x, and this negative 4, this is 4 times 1. So since the middle term is positive, so therefore the bigger number must be positive and this one must be negative. So these are now the factors for this cubic trinomial. Then for this given, to find the factors, so again, using this middle term, so we need to find a perfect square number closer and less than this middle term. So from these perfect square numbers, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. But since for this given, there is a number in the first term, so we need to multiply this number to these perfect square numbers. So times 3, times 3, times 3, times 3. And this is equal to 27. This is equal to 12. This is equal to 48. So since 27 is closer to 37 and less than 37, so we're going to use this number. So this becomes 3x to the power 3, then minus. We need to rewrite this 37 and one of the number is 27, then x, then minus. So the second number is 10x because 27 plus 10, that's 37. Then bring down this negative 30. Then from this, so we need to group. So the first group is 3x to the power 3 minus 27x. Then for the second group, so since this one is negative, so put the negative outside. So therefore, this becomes positive 10x, and this negative 30 becomes positive 30. Then we can use now the common monomial factor. So for these numbers, divisible by 3 and also divisible by x. So therefore, the remaining, so this 3x to the power 3 divided by 3x. So this becomes x squared. Then minus this 27 divided by 3. So this is 9. Then minus for the second group. So we need to put this 10 outside. So divisible by 10. So this becomes x plus 3. Then again, since 9 is equal to 3 to the power 2. So therefore, we can factor out this x squared minus 3 squared. And this is equal to x plus 3, then times x minus 3. Then bring down this negative 10, then x plus 3. Then again, since we can factor out this x plus 3, so we need to put this x plus 3 outside. Then for the second group, so multiply this 3x and x. So this becomes 3x squared. And 3x times negative 3, that's negative 9x. Then bring down this negative 10. So since this trinomial is not factorable, so therefore, these are now the factors for this cubic trinomial.